Welcome back to the Steps to Success YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be discussing money management skills and giving you some examples of activities that you can do with your kids to help facilitate these skills from a young age. Money management is an important functional life skill that begins to develop in childhood. Money management falls under the domain of occupational therapy as it is listed as an instrumental activity of daily living, or IADL, skill in the occupational therapy practice framework domain and process. Knowing how to manage money and make purchases affects many life decisions in the future and is an important skill to understand and be able to utilize in our daily lives. Children begin by identifying coins and bills, then move to understanding the denominations of money. These are important core skills that build up to understanding how to make purchases and manage their finances in the future. The first thing you can do to start facilitating money management skills in your little ones is to start by identifying the names of the coins and bills using either real money or play money. You can then move to sorting money into a bills category and a coins category by simply putting money on the table and having your child separate by the above-mentioned categories, as seen in the video. You can then move to matching like bills and coins. For this activity, you can either place one of each bill and coin on the table and then have your child match to it, or you can place everything on the table and have your child separate the bills and the coins, as seen in the video above. This activity also helps work on visual perceptual as well as fine motor skills. Another fun activity that you can do with your kids to work on money management skills is to play bingo. You can set up a bingo board like the one seen in the video with different denominations of coins and bills. You can then pull a coin or bill, show it to your child, and have them put a chip or marker on the space that corresponds with what you pulled. You can also tell them the denominations, such as $1, and have them place a chip on the card until they get 3 in a row. To help your child learn the denomination or face value of coins and bills, you can set up 2 cards as seen in the video, one with bills and one with coins, in which you write the denomination, then give your child actual money or fake money to match each square in each card. A fun way to help implement what your child has learned is to set up a fake store in your home by gathering items from around your home, giving them prices, and then having your child make purchases with fake money. Another way your child can learn to implement these skills into real-life situations is to set up a fake restaurant. You can use actual menus from restaurants around your neighborhood, and you can have your child order what they want, and they can create a receipt as seen in the video where they write out the item, and then on the right side they write the price, and then once they're all done ordering, they can add it up at the end and come up with a total for the bill. They can then use their fake money to pay for the bill, and as they get older, they can also learn how to make change during this activity. Thanks for watching. We hope that the activities suggested help your child learn these important money management skills while also making it fun for them.